Hello girls, in this video we will see the different exercises given on page number 25, the lesson Jungle Safari in your Bal Bharati textbook. Let us read the question. Spot the given letter in the words and join all the letters you spot. So in this question, the letter will be given and we have to spot the same letter in the given words and then join those letters together. Let us see. The first letter that is given is L. So we have to spot letter L in the given names of animals and then join it together. So for L, there are 4 names of animals given: lion, elephant, fly, camel. So let us spot L first in lion and L in elephant and join it. See, as you can see the red color letter. Yes. Now from L in elephant to L in fly. Now from L in fly to L in camel. Yes. Now next letter is A. So let us spot A in all the 4 names of animals: ant, rabbit, camel, snake. And now let us join all the A's together from A in ant to A in rabbit. Now from A in rabbit to A in camel. And from A in camel to A in snake. The next letter that is given is B. So let us join all the B's together from B in bear to B in bee. Now B in bee to B in butterfly. And from B in butterfly to B in rabbit. Now in rabbit there are 2 B's. So let us join the next B also along with it. Okay. Now we will come to next letter, that is E. So we have to join first E in elephant. There are 2 E's in elephant. So let us join those 2 E's together. Now from second E in elephant to E in tiger. Now from E in tiger to E in peacock. Now E in peacock to E in squirrel. The next letter that is given is I. So I in giraffe to I in lion. I in lion to I in tiger. I in tiger to I in tortoise. The next letter which is given is O. So let us join O. First we'll have to spot the letter O in tortoise, peacock, lion and monkey. And let us join it now. In tortoise also there are 2 O's. So first put those 2 O together. Then O in tortoise to O in peacock. O in peacock to O in lion. O in lion to O in monkey. So this way you will complete this exercise on page number 25 in your Bal Bharati textbook. Now let us see the next exercise. Match the double letters with the given words. Match the double letters with the given words. So there are double letters given and we have to match it with the different words. Double R. So let us see where is double R. Giraffe, squirrel, butterfly, deer. In the spelling of these 4 animals, where do you see double R? Yes, it is in squirrel. So let us join double R with squirrel. SQUIRREL. Now double F. Where do we see double F, children? Giraffe. So in giraffe we have double F. So we join it together. Now double E. Where do we see double E? In butterfly or in deer? Yes, we see it in deer. So let us join it. And double T, butterfly. BUTTERFLY. So this way you will complete the exercise number 5 in your Bal Bharati textbook, page number 25. Now let us see the next exercise. Find the small words hidden in the big words. Now here there are big words given. These are the names of animals. And we have to find the small words which are hidden in it. Let us see the first one, that is peacock. Which are the small words hidden in this word? Now we have to use these letters only. Okay. Now let us see the first word. It's P. P-E-A. P. It's a small word which is hidden. Hidden means chupa hua. Don't you play hide and seek? Yes, it's like that only. So this P is a word small which is hidden in the word peacock. The next word which is hidden here is cock. C-O-C-K. Cock. Now let us see which is the next word. Cope. C-O-P-E. Cope. C-O-P-E. Cope. Cake. C-A-K-E, cake. And peak, P-E-A-K, peak. So these are the small words hidden in the word peacock. Now let us see the next word, that is elephant. The small words which are hidden in this word is ant, A-N-T, ant. Then next is plant, P-L-A-N-T, plant. Pet, P-E-T, pet. Let, L-E-T, let. And pen, P-E-N, pen. Now let us check the next word, butterfly. Which are the small words which are hidden in this word? First would be butter, then fly, then but, B-U-T, but. B-U-Y, buy. And rule, R-U-L-E, rule. Next is rabbit. Now let us see which are the words which are hidden in this word. Bit, B-I-T, bit. B-A-T, bat. R-A-T, rat. T-A-B, tab. And B-A-R, bar. The next word, the last name of the animal is tortoise. Now let us see which are the words hidden here. Soar, S-O-R-E, soar. S-T-I-R, stir. R-E-S-T, rest. R-I-S-E, rise. And the last, S-T-O-R-E, store. So children, in this way you will complete the exercises given on page number 25 in your Bal Bharati textbook. Don't forget to write today's date. Thank you.